The Department of Public Works and Highways or DPWH explained the reason why EDSA Kamuning flyover needs to undergo rehabilitation.
Kasama yung EDSA Kamuning sa 14 bridges na in-identify ni JICA na critical bridges once na tumama yung the big one. So, si Kamuning, ang scope ni Kamuning is yung redecking kasi deflated na yung mga, yung slab niya sa taas, makikita niya may mga cracks na. So, pag umulan, nagsisip na yung tubig pababa.
With this reason, the flyover will be temporarily closed to motorists starting on May 1. However, the DPWH will start the board-up or pre-construction work on April 25. Before May 1, motorists can still pass through the flyover. But when closure starts, only the EDSA carousel will be allowed. Private vehicles, motorcycles, and others will be diverted to Mabuhay lanes or the service road of the flyover.
Ito kasi 6 months so kaya kailangan natin mas paigtingin yung pagmaman ng traffic at i-expand din yung alternate routes dahil talagang malaki yung magiging epekto nito.
Even if the flyover will be opened after 6 months or by October 25, the rehabilitation will continue for another 6 months. But it will not affect to vehicles. The MMDA and the Quezon City Local Government Unit is already preparing for the traffic rerouting plan. Those traversing EDSA southbound before Kamuning flyover shall take right to Quezon Avenue, Eugenio Lopez Drive, or Scout Borromeo Street up to Sergeant Esguerra Street until they reach Timog Avenue to go back to EDSA. MMDA will also conduct intensified clearing operations in the area to ensure Mabuhay lanes will be passable to avoid traffic jam. JP Nunez, UNTV, News and Rescue. We serve the people, we give glory to God.